to journey through the smallest planet in our solar system? Mercury is an enigma, full of surprises and mysteries that continue to intrigue scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of Mercury and uncover some incredible facts that you probably didn't know about. Welcome to our video about Mercury facts. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and is known for its scorching hot temperatures and extreme surface conditions. Despite being the smallest planet in our solar system, it's a fascinating world that has captivated our attention for centuries. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at 30 mind-blowing facts about Mercury that will leave you in awe. One, Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. 2. Mercury is named after the Roman messenger of the gods. 3. Mercury has no atmosphere and is bombarded by solar radiation. 4. Mercury's surface is covered in craters, cliffs, and vast plains. 5. Mercury has the shortest year of any planet in our solar system, only 88 Earth days. 6. Mercury's rotation is also unique, with one day on Mercury lasting about 59 Earth days. 7. Mercury is the second densest planet in our solar system, after Earth. 8. Mercury has the highest temperature variation of any planet, with temperatures ranging from -290 degrees Fahrenheit at night to 800 degree F during the day. 9. Mercury's core is incredibly large, making up about 85% of the planet's radius. 10. Mercury has a weak magnetic field that is about 1% as strong as Earth's. 11. Mercury has no moons or rings. 12. Mercury is often difficult to observe from Earth because of its proximity to the Sun. 13. Mercury has been visited by only 2 spacecraft, Mariner 10 and Messenger. 14. Mercury is a planet of many firsts, including the first planet to be visited by a spacecraft. 15. Mercury is the fastest planet, traveling around the Sun at a speed of 29 miles per second. 16. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, with a distance of about 36 million miles. 17. Mercury has the largest temperature gradient in the solar system. 18. Mercury's surface is heavily cratered and scarred by ancient impacts. 19. Mercury's surface has many unusual features, including hollows, ridges, and steep cliffs. 20. Mercury's surface is mostly made up of rocky materials, including basalt, silicates, and metals. 21. Mercury's unusual orbit is affected by the gravitational pull of other planets, causing it to process or shift over time. 22. Mercury's composition is similar to Earth's moon, with a high abundance of volatile elements such as potassium and sulfur. 23. Mercury has a very thin exosphere which is made up of helium, hydrogen, and oxygen. 24. Mercury's atmosphere is constantly being stripped away by the solar wind. 25. Mercury is named after the Roman messenger of the gods because of its swift orbit around the Sun. 26. Mercury's small size and close proximity to the Sun make it difficult to observe from Earth, even with powerful telescopes. 27. Mercury's gravity is only about 38% as strong as Earth's. 28. Mercury's surface temperature can reach up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, hot enough to melt lead. 29. Mercury's extreme temperatures and lack of atmosphere make it an inhospitable world for life as we know it. 30. Mercury's unique features and characteristics continue to fascinate scientists and astronomers around the world. Thank you for watching our video about Mercury facts. We hope you enjoyed learning about this amazing planet and its unique features. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and we'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more fascinating facts about space, science, and technology. And remember to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Until next time, keep exploring and never stop learning.
told you that our neighboring planet Venus might have aliens living on it? Well, we don't have concrete evidence yet, but the thick and hostile atmosphere of Venus has always been a source of curiosity for scientists, and some have speculated that life forms might exist in the clouds of this planet. So, let's dive into the 30 fascinating facts about Venus and see what we can uncover about the planet that may harbor life. Welcome to our video about 30 fascinating facts about planet Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and the sixth largest planet in the solar system. It is often called Earth's sister planet because of its similar size, mass, and composition. However, Venus is also known for its peculiarities, such as its thick atmosphere, runaway greenhouse effect, and volcanic activity. In this video, we will take you on a journey to discover some of the most intriguing facts about Venus, ranging from its history and mythology to its geology and potential for future exploration. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn more about this enigmatic planet. 1. Venus is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, who was also known as Aphrodite in Greek mythology. 2. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, with an average temperature of around 464 degrees Celsius, which is hotter than the surface of Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. 3. Venus has a thick atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide, which creates a strong greenhouse effect and traps heat, leading to its scorching surface temperatures. 4. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is 92 times greater than on Earth, which is equivalent to the pressure at a depth of 1 kilometer in the Earth's oceans. 5. Venus has no moons or rings, unlike most of the other planets in the solar system. 6. Venus rotates in the opposite direction of most planets, which means that its day is longer than its year. 7. Venus has many volcanoes, some of which are still active, and the planet has more volcanoes than any other planet in the solar system. 8. Venus has many surface features, such as mountains, canyons, and craters that are named after famous women from history and mythology. 9. Venus has a relatively young surface, with most of its features believed to be less than 500 million years old. 10. Venus has a unique pattern of atmospheric circulation with strong winds that blow in opposite directions in the upper and lower atmospheres. 11. Venus has a tenuous magnetic field that is much weaker than Earth's, which suggests that it has a different internal structure and composition. 12. Venus has been visited by several space missions, including the Soviet Venera and Vega missions, and the NASA Pioneer, Mariner, and Magellan missions. 13. The first successful landing on Venus was achieved by the Soviet Venera 7 probe in 1970, which transmitted data for about 23 minutes before succumbing to the harsh conditions. 14. The Venera 13 mission in 1982 returned the first color images of the Venusian surface, revealing a rocky and barren landscape with a reddish hue. 15. The Magellan spacecraft, launched by NASA in 1989, mapped the entire surface of Venus using radar, revealing details of its topography and geology. 16. Venus is a popular subject of science fiction, often portrayed as a hostile and mysterious world with exotic life forms and strange phenomena. 17. Venus has been proposed as a target for human exploration and colonization, but its harsh conditions pose significant challenges for such missions. 18. Some scientists have proposed terraforming Venus by transforming its atmosphere and surface to make it habitable for humans, but the feasibility and ethics of such a project are still under debate. 19. Venus has been observed transiting across the face of the Sun from Earth, which has provided valuable data for studying its atmosphere and composition. 20. Venus has been the subject of many scientific studies, including research on its atmospheric composition, geological history, and potential for astrobiology. 21. Some scientists have speculated that life forms might exist in the clouds of Venus, which contain droplets of sulfuric acid and other organic compounds that could support microbial life. 22. The possibility of finding life on Venus has gained renewed interest in recent years, following the detection of phosphine gas in its atmosphere, which is a potential biosignature. 23. The origin of Venus and its similarities and differences with Earth are still the subject of ongoing research and debate among planetary scientists. 24. Venus is visible to the naked eye from Earth and has been observed by humans since ancient times, leading to its association with mythology and folklore. 25. Venus has inspired many cultural and artistic expressions, such as paintings, sculptures, music, and literature, reflecting its beauty and mystery. 26. The study of Venus and other planets in the solar system has contributed to our understanding of planetary formation and evolution, as well as the search for habitable worlds beyond our own. 27. Venus is an important subject for space exploration and astronomy, providing valuable data and insights into the nature and diversity of the universe. 28. The study of Venus and its potential for life also raises important philosophical and ethical questions about the nature of life and our place in the cosmos. 29. As we continue to explore and learn more about Venus, we are also expanding our knowledge and perspectives about the vast and complex universe we inhabit. 30. In conclusion, Venus is a fascinating and complex planet that offers many opportunities for scientific discovery and exploration. By studying Venus, we can gain new insights into the origins and evolution of our solar system and the potential for life beyond Earth. We hope you enjoyed learning about the 30 fascinating facts about planet Venus. If you want to know more about our solar system and the universe, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
What would happen if aliens were to visit Earth? The idea of aliens visiting Earth has captured our imagination for decades. We've seen countless movies and read countless movies and read countless books that explore the possibility of extraterrestrial life and their potential visit to our planet. From friendly, benevolent beings to hostile invaders, the concept of aliens visiting Earth can be both exhilarating and terrifying. What would they look like? How would they communicate with us? Would they come in peace, or would they come to conquer? While the idea of aliens visiting Earth is still pure speculation, it's always exciting to imagine the possibilities. But regardless of whether or not aliens ever visit our planet, we can take comfort in knowing that we live on a beautiful and diverse planet that is worth cherishing and protecting. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only known planet to support life. Our planet is home to millions of species, including us humans. It has a diverse range of landscapes, from vast oceans to soaring mountains, lush forests to barren deserts, lush forests to barren deserts. Despite its vastness, Earth is just a tiny speck in the vast universe, and its existence is nothing short of a miracle. Now let's delve into some incredible facts about Earth that you may not know. Earth is estimated to be around 4.54 billion years old. There is no concrete evidence that aliens have ever visited Earth. The planet is not a perfect sphere, but an oblate spheroid due to its rotation. Earth's atmosphere consists of 70-80 nitrogen, 21 oxygen, and 1 other gases. The deepest part of the ocean, the Mariana Trench, is over 36,000 feet deep. Some people claim to have had encounters with extraterrestrial beings. The highest mountain on Earth, Mount Everest, stands at 29,029 feet tall. Earth's rotation is slowing down, and the day is getting longer by about 1.8 milliseconds every century. The term UFO stands for Unidentified Flying Object. The largest desert in the world is the Antarctic Desert, covering an area of around 5.5 million square miles. The Earth's magnetic field protects us from harmful solar radiation. The Roswell incident in 1947 is one of the most famous alleged UFO sightings. Earth has over 8.7 million species of living organisms, including about 6.5 million species of land animals. The coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth was 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit in Antarctica. The government has investigated UFO sightings in the past, including through Project Blue Book. Earth's crust is made up of several plates that float on the mantle and move around the planet. Some conspiracy theories suggest that the government is hiding evidence of alien visits to Earth. The oldest known rocks on Earth are over 4 billion years old. Earth is the only planet in our solar system not named after a Greek or Roman god. The Earth's diameter is approximately 7,926 miles. There are many reported cases of alien abductions. Earth's orbit around the Sun is not a perfect circle, but an ellipse. The largest living structure on Earth is the Great Barrier Reef, stretching over 1,600 miles off the coast of Australia. The Amazon rainforest produces about 20 of the world's oxygen. Earth is the only known planet with active tectonic plates. The Earth's atmosphere is composed of 5 different layers, including the troposphere and stratosphere. The longest river in the world is the Nile River in Africa, stretching over 4,135 miles. Earth has a molten core composed mainly of iron and nickel. The ozone layer in the Earth's atmosphere protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiation. The Earth's rotation is responsible for the Coriolis effect, which influences weather patterns and ocean currents. Earth's water cycle involves evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and runoff. The Earth's moon is the 5th largest moon in the solar system and the largest in relation to its host planet. The Fermi paradox questions why we haven't made contact with extraterrestrial civilizations yet. The Earth's atmosphere is responsible for the blue color of the sky. The Earth's axial tilt is responsible for the seasons. The Earth's magnetic field flips every few 100,000 years. Earth's gravity is responsible for keeping us and everything else on the planet grounded. Earth is the only planet known to have liquid water on its surface. Now that you've learned 3 fascinating facts about our planet, it's time to go out and explore the world around you. Take a walk outside, appreciate the beauty of nature, and always remember to do your part in preserving our planet for future generations. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content like this. Until next time, keep exploring.
Is it possible for humans to one day live on Mars? It's a question that has captivated the imagination of scientists, science fiction writers, and the general public alike. But before we can even begin to consider the idea of colonizing the Red Planet, we need to learn more about it. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the fascinating facts of Mars, from its history and composition to its potential for supporting human life. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed by the wonders of our neighboring planet. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest news and insights on science and technology. In this video, we will dive deep into the mysteries of Mars, uncovering 30 fascinating facts that you probably didn't know about. But before we begin, if you like what you see, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. 1. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and it's also known as the Red Planet. 2. It has a thin atmosphere that is mostly made up of carbon dioxide. 3. The surface of Mars is covered in iron oxide, giving it a reddish appearance. 4. Mars is approximately half the size of Earth, with a diameter of 6,779 kilometers. 5. It has a much weaker gravitational force than Earth, which means that objects weigh less on Mars. 6. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, that are irregularly shaped and covered in craters. 7. The average temperature on Mars is about 63°H on the F. 8. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is about 3 times the height of Mount Everest. 9. The planet also has the longest canyon in the solar system, Valles Marineris, which is over 4,000 kilometers long. 10. Mars experiences dust storms that can last for months and cover the entire planet. 11. NASA has sent several rovers to Mars, including the Curiosity rover, which has been exploring the planet since 2012. 12. Scientists have found evidence of water on Mars, including frozen water at the poles and signs of past liquid water on the surface. 13. There are plans to send humans to Mars in the future, with NASA aiming to land astronauts on the planet by the 2030s. 14. Living on Mars would require significant adjustments, including dealing with lower gravity, radiation exposure, and a lack of breathable air. 15. The soil on Mars contains elements that are essential for plant growth, making it possible to grow food on the planet. 16. Mars has been a popular subject in science fiction, with many books, movies, and TV shows featuring the planet. 17. The Martian day, or Sol, is slightly longer than Earth's day, lasting about 24 hours and 39 minutes. 18. Mars has seasons that are similar to Earth's, but they last almost twice as long due to the planet's longer years. 19. The planet has a history of volcanic activity and tectonic activity, but these processes have slowed down over time. 20. The atmosphere on Mars is not thick enough to protect against radiation, which would be a major challenge for human life. 21. Mars has a magnetic field, but it is much weaker than Earth's, which also contributes to the planet's lack of protection from radiation. 22. Mars has a diverse landscape, including craters, mountains, valleys, and plains. 23. The planet has been the subject of many scientific studies, with researchers using data from rovers, orbiters, and landers to learn more about its geology and history. 24. The first successful mission to Mars was the Viking 1 lander, which touched down on the planet in 1976. 25. The Mars Global Surveyor, launched in 1996, produced the most detailed map of the planet's surface to date. 26. Mars is named after the Roman god of war, likely due to its reddish appearance. 27. The planet has been visited by several spacecraft from different countries, including the United States, Russia, and Europe. 28. In 2021, NASA's Perseverance rover successfully landed on Mars with the goal of searching for signs of ancient life on the planet. 29. Mars has been a source of inspiration for many artists and writers with its unique landscape and potential for exploration and discovery. 30. While there are many challenges to living on Mars, such as the harsh environment and limited resources, the planet also presents many opportunities for scientific discovery and exploration. Thank you for watching this video and learning about the fascinating facts of Mars. If you enjoyed this content, please consider liking and sharing this video with your friends and subscribing to our channel for more exciting content on science and technology. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.
Are you fascinated by the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter, with its iconic giant red spot and numerous moons, is a gas giant that never ceases to amaze astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. In this video, we'll dive into 30 fascinating facts about Jupiter that will leave you in awe. Before we get started, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. Now let's dive into some incredible facts about Jupiter. Hello, I'm Bella, and in this video we'll explore some incredible facts about Jupiter. From its massive size to its intriguing weather patterns, there's no shortage of amazing things to learn about this giant planet. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, with a diameter of 86,881 miles, 139,822 kilometers. It is the fifth planet from the Sun and takes 12 Earth years to orbit it. Jupiter's iconic Great Red Spot is a massive storm that has been raging for at least 350 years. It has more than 80 moons, including 4 large Galilean moons: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Ganymede, Jupiter's largest moon, is the only moon in our solar system with its own magnetic field. Jupiter's powerful magnetic field is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. Jupiter's auroras, similar to Earth's northern lights, are the most powerful in the solar system. Jupiter's atmosphere is made up of mostly hydrogen and helium. It has the shortest day of any planet in the solar system, completing one rotation in just under 10 hours. Jupiter's gravity is so strong that it can significantly affect the orbits of other planets. The Juno spacecraft has been orbiting Jupiter since 2016, studying its atmosphere, magnetic field, and more. Jupiter's intense radiation makes it challenging for spacecraft to explore its moons. The 4 largest moons of Jupiter were discovered by Galileo Galilei in 1610. Io, the innermost Galilean moon, is the most volcanically active body in the solar system. Europa is believed to have a subsurface ocean that could potentially harbor life. Ganymede is the only moon in our solar system known to have its own magnetic field. Callisto has the oldest and most cratered surface of any moon in our solar system. Jupiter's rings are very faint, made up of tiny particles of rock and dust. The rings were first discovered by the Voyager 1 spacecraft in 1979. Jupiter's distance from the Sun means that it receives much less sunlight than Earth, making it a very cold planet. The temperature on Jupiter's cloud tops is around minus 145 degrees Celsius, minus 234 degrees Fahrenheit. The pressure in Jupiter's atmosphere is so intense that it can crush spacecraft. Jupiter has a faint but noticeable ring system made up of 4 main parts. The gas giant has 12 layers of the atmosphere, with the lowest layer being the most visible. Jupiter's atmosphere is constantly changing, with winds reaching speeds of over 300 miles per hour, 480 kilometers per hour. Jupiter has a very strong gravitational pull, causing it to sling asteroids and comets out of the solar system or into the inner solar system. Jupiter has a faint but significant influence on Earth's orbit, which helps stabilize it. The largest impact on Jupiter ever observed was in 1994 by the comet Shoemaker-Levy 9. Jupiter is visible from Earth with the naked eye, and its brightness can rival that of Venus. Jupiter is an essential object of study for understanding the formation and evolution of our solar system, as well as for exploring the potential for life on its moons. So there you have it, 30 fascinating facts about Jupiter. If you're interested in learning more about space and our solar system, make sure to stay tuned for more videos like this. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to show your support.
Have you ever wondered about the mysteries of Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in our solar system? If so, then you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore some fascinating Saturn facts that you may not have known before. Saturn is a gas giant that is 95 times the mass of the Earth and is famous for its beautiful and distinctive rings. It is also known for its numerous moons, with over 80 of them discovered to date. The planet's distance from the Sun means that it has a longer year than Earth, taking approximately 29.5 Earth years to complete one orbit. Let's delve into some interesting facts about Saturn. 1. Saturn's rings are made up of ice particles and rock debris. 2. The planet's atmosphere is mostly composed of hydrogen and helium. 3. Saturn has a prominent hexagonal-shaped pattern on its north pole. 4. The planet has the second fastest rotation in our solar system, completing a rotation in just over 10 hours. 5. It was first observed by Galileo Galilei in 1610, who mistook its rings for handles. 6. The rings of Saturn are not static. They constantly change their shape due to gravitational forces. 7. The largest of Saturn's moons, Titan, is the only known moon to have a dense atmosphere. 8. Saturn's magnetic field is 578 times stronger than Earth's. 9. The planet's temperature ranges from 178 dZ to 108 dC, 280 9 to 162 dF. 10. Saturn has a total of 82 known moons, with the largest being Titan and the second largest being Rhea. 11. The rings of Saturn are relatively young, estimated to be around 100 million years old. 12. Saturn is one of the 5 planets visible to the naked eye from Earth. 13. The Cassini spacecraft mission explored Saturn and its moons from 2004 to 2017. 14. The planet's rings are named alphabetically in the order they were discovered, with the most distant being named F. 15. Saturn's moons are named after characters from Greek and Roman mythology. 16. 17. The rings of Saturn were first observed through a telescope by Christian Huygens in 1655. 18. The atmosphere of Saturn is the second thickest in our solar system, after Jupiter's. 19. Saturn's moon Enceladus has geysers that shoot out water and ice particles into space. 20. Saturn's rings extend up to 282,000 kilometers, 175,000 miles, from the planet's center. 21. The Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft both flew by Saturn in the 1980s, providing scientists with valuable data and images of the planet and its moons. 22. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, has methane lakes and seas on its surface. 23. The Cassini spacecraft discovered a subsurface ocean on Enceladus, making it a potential target for the search for extraterrestrial life. 24. The density of Saturn is so low that it could float on water if there were a body of water large enough. 25. The rings of Saturn are so large that they could wrap around Earth at the equator with room to spare. 26. The largest gap in Saturn's rings is called the Cassini division, named after the astronomer who discovered it. 27. Saturn's moon Iapetus has a distinct two-tone coloration, with one hemisphere being much darker than the other. 28. Saturn emits more energy than it receives from the Sun, indicating that it has an internal heat source. 29. The rings of Saturn can create gaps and waves in its moon's orbits due to gravitational forces. 30. Saturn's rings are gradually disappearing, estimated to last only another 100 million years before they dissipate entirely. Thanks for watching and learning about these fascinating facts about Saturn. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more space-related content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when we release new videos. Also, If you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below.
Are you ready to embark on an interplanetary journey to the 7th planet in our solar system? Join us today as we explore the mysterious and intriguing world of Uranus. From its unique composition to its unusual magnetic field, this ice giant planet has captivated the imaginations of scientists and space enthusiasts for decades. Get ready to discover 30 fascinating facts about Uranus that will awaken you. So buckle up and get ready for a journey through the cosmos. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our exciting content. Today we're going to delve deep into the wonders of Uranus, a planet that is often overlooked but has some truly amazing facts to offer. So grab a seat, buckle up, and dive into this incredible world. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun and the 3rd largest planet in our solar system. It is an ice giant planet, which means that it is made up mostly of rock and ice. The planet is tilted at an extreme angle, which means that it rotates on its side. Uranus has a total of 27 known moons, with the largest being Titania, Oberon, Umbriel, Ariel, and Miranda. The planet's atmosphere is made up of mostly hydrogen and helium, with a small amount of methane that gives it its blue-green color. Uranus has the coldest temperature of any planet in the solar system, with a minimum temperature of minus 224 degrees Celsius, 371 degree F. The planet's rings were not discovered until 1977 by scientists who were studying the planet's atmosphere. Uranus has a very weak magnetic field, which is about 50 times weaker than that of Earth. The Voyager 2 spacecraft is the only spacecraft to have flown by Uranus, and it captured some amazing images of the planet and its moons. Uranus takes 84 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. The planet was named after the Greek god of the sky, Uranos. Uranus has a diameter of 50,724 kilometers, which is about 4 times the size of Earth. The planet's atmosphere has some of the fastest winds in the solar system, with speeds of up to 900 kilometers per h, 560 miles per hour. Uranus has a very thin set of rings that are made up of small particles of ice and rock. The planet's axial tilt is so extreme that its seasons last 21 Earth years. Uranus has a total of 13 rings, with the brightest being the Epsilon ring. The planet's magnetic field is tilted at an angle of 60 degrees to its rotational axis. Uranus is the only planet in our solar system that rotates on its side. The planet has an average distance from the Sun of about 2.9 billion kilometers, 1.8 billion miles. Uranus has a very low density, which means that it is less dense than water. The planet's moons are named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Uranus has a very weak and faint ring system that is difficult to see from Earth. The planet's atmosphere is known for its complex weather patterns, including massive storms and swirling cloud formations. Uranus has a rocky core that is surrounded by a layer of water, ammonia, and methane ices. The planet's extreme axial tilt is thought to have been caused by a massive collision with another planet or a large object. Uranus has a faint and tenuous magnetosphere that is unlike any other planet in our solar system. The planet's magnetic field is highly asymmetric and has a complex and variable structure. Uranus is often referred to as the ice giant planet due to its unique composition and low temperatures. The atmosphere of Uranus is rich in methane, which absorbs red light and gives the planet its blue-green hue. Uranus is a fascinating and mysterious planet that continues to capture the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts around the world. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the fascinating world of Uranus. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content just like this.
Did you know that Neptune's atmosphere is the windiest in the solar system, with winds reaching speeds of up to 2,100 kilometers per hour. Or that it was the first planet to be discovered through mathematical predictions rather than through direct observation. These are just a couple of the many surprising facts about Neptune that we'll explore in this video. Hello and welcome back to our channel where we explore the wonders of the universe. Today, we'll take a closer look at the eighth planet from the Sun, Neptune. Many of us may know about the basic facts of Neptune, but in this video, we'll uncover some of the lesser-known and fascinating facts about this blue giant. So, buckle up and get ready to be amazed. 1. Neptune was discovered in 1846 by a French mathematician, Urbain Le Verrier, based on his calculations. 2. Neptune is the fourth largest planet in the solar system and has a diameter of about 49,500 kilometers. 3. The blue color of Neptune comes from the presence of methane gas in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue light. 4. Neptune's atmosphere is composed of hydrogen, helium, and methane, with small amounts of other gases. 5. Neptune has the strongest winds of any planet in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 2,100 kilometers per hour. 6. The average temperature on Neptune is minus 214 degrees Celsius, making it the coldest planet in the solar system. 7. Neptune has 14 known moons, the largest of which is Triton. 8. Triton, Neptune's largest moon, is the only large moon in the solar system that orbits its planet in a direction opposite to the planet's rotation. 9. Neptune has 5 faint rings made up of dust and ice particles. 10. Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft to have visited Neptune so far, passing by the planet in 1989. 11. The magnetic field of Neptune is about 27 times more powerful than that of Earth. 12. Neptune has a great dark spot, similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, which is a large storm in its atmosphere. 13. Neptune's Great Dark Spot disappeared in 1994 and was replaced by a new one in 2018. 14. Neptune's day is about 16 hours long, while its year is about 165 Earth years long. 15. Neptune is one of the 4 gas giants in the solar system, along with Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus. 16. Neptune's atmosphere has clouds that form in distinct bands, similar to those on Jupiter and Saturn. 17. The pressure at the center of Neptune is estimated to be about 7 million times that of Earth's surface pressure. 18. Neptune's atmosphere is believed to have seasons, but they are much longer than Earth's, lasting for decades. 19. The Voyager 2 spacecraft discovered geysers on Triton, Neptune's largest moon, suggesting that it has a subsurface ocean. 20. Neptune has been explored by only one spacecraft, Voyager 2, which revealed a lot of new information about the planet. 21. Neptune's rings were discovered in 1984 by the Voyager 2 spacecraft. 22. Neptune's rings are made up of small, icy particles that range in size from dust to boulders. 23. The 5 rings of Neptune are named Gale, Le Verrier, Lassell, Arago, and Adams, in honor of astronomers who made significant contributions to the study of the planet. 24. The ring system of Neptune is thought to be relatively young, possibly only a few hundred million years old. 25. Neptune has a tilted magnetic field, which is inclined at an angle of about 47 degrees to its rotation axis. 26. The tilt of Neptune's magnetic field causes its auroras to be very different from those on Earth and other planets. 27. Neptune's auroras are very dynamic, with bursts of activity occurring in just a few minutes, as opposed to hours or days on Earth. 28. Neptune is one of the least explored planets in the solar system, with only one flyby mission to date. 29. Future missions to Neptune are being planned, including the proposed Trident mission by NASA, which is expected to launch in the mid-2020s and would study Triton, Neptune's largest moon. 30. Studying Neptune and its moons can provide valuable insights into the formation and evolution of the solar system, as well as the conditions necessary for the emergence of life. Thank you for watching this video on Neptune, the 8th planet from the Sun. We hope you enjoyed learning about its fascinating facts and mysteries. Don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the universe.